So let's go about and start our own dropship listing. First step is for us to find the product we want to actually sell, and we have already done so. So the next step for us is to actually take the picture, take the whole listing, copy it down, and create a dropshipping listing with it. So the first step that we have to do is obviously get the pictures. Walmart is pretty smart, as you can see. It doesn't really let us do and save this exact item. So there is a few ways for us to go about this. One, the old-fashioned, take a screen picture of the item. So let's go and do that. We can go and take a screen picture. Here we go, we have one. Press on the other one, and it doesn't look like we can use the other one at all, because when we press on it, it doesn't go to it. So we have one picture that we can use, but that's alright. If there's only one, what we can do is the following. So if there is only one, we have to go and see if we can find more pictures that we can use. So let's go and copy the description down, go into Google, pasting this in, press on enter, and now press on images. What we're doing is we're trying to locate another product just like this with good pictures that we can use. Sometimes we might be able to find them, at other times we might not be able to. If worst comes to worst, you might have to go about and dropship this product directly to you. Take some pictures of it, return it back to the store, or buy it for yourself, even better. If you buy this product, take as many pictures as you want, or even you can dropship this product to a photographer on Fiverr to take pictures for you. So if this item is not very expensive, it is much easier for you to do so. But since we don't want to spend any money whatsoever in doing so, let's just use the picture that we just had. Next step for us to do is just to copy down the description. Now we're going to eBay, pressing on sell. Next step, it's going to go to this menu right here. Press on create a listing. Just copy and paste the product that we'll be selling right here. It's going to give us the correct category for it. And it's going to look up all the information for this product, if it actually exists for that specific one. Since I have an eBay store, I have to pick what specific product I'm selling in my store, because I have a few categories. So let's press on the different categories over here and make sure it is in the correct category. After you do this part, we're going right back to the listing itself. So let's go back in here, and here is the listing, getting the additional details from the description right down there. Going back to this item, let's go over here, adding the picture right there. Here's the screenshot of the product, and now it's going to load it up. This looks pretty good. It doesn't tell me there is a warning for this product being low resolution, so it looks like it is accepted, which is great. The brand name, make sure you put the brand name into this, and then paste down the rest of the description for the product, and delete anything that looks like a mess, such as this one has right here. So we have this all the way down there. Copy and paste the title. Make sure you make it brand new. UPC code, if it has one, make sure you enter it right there. Does not apply. Now over here, the brand name, and that's going to be the brand name of the product itself, which is, there we go, the brand name. And the model name is going to be right there. And there I'm just going to be pasting this in. Now you can just organize by pressing on advanced edits right here. And now I want to put it in the middle, change it to blue. And now what else I want to do is maybe change the font to look a little different. Now this looks a little cool. And here we go. So this pretty much actually does the copy and pasting part of the listing. Next part is the actual price of the product. So it was 49 bucks, and I want to get at least 16 bucks. So let's go and do a simple math here. 50 plus around 16 bucks. So it's around $66 for this product. Let's round it a little higher. So $68.97 would be what I'll be selling this product for. Since I can sell more than one, let's sell about 3 of them. So that's going to be something I'll be doing. Now, after I did all of this, it's time for me to change it just a little bit. So what you can do here is just change the listing around. You want to see if there is any mistakes here, or you want to add extra keywords to this, such as skateboard right here. So add an additional skateboard and put a space in here. Also, this is Cali. It actually stands for California. So let's put the whole thing in here, California. So this is the California edition of this product. The only thing that is really missing here is that it says brand new. I'm going to put this in big capital letters, brand new. So we did this right here. We added everything else to this. I'm going to add a little more description for the product, California, the specific version to it. And just add brand new right at the top of this, brand new. So here we go. So pretty much all I'm actually doing is just adding a little bit extra to the description. In fact, if you can add even more extra to the description, make it sound more appealing, talking about why skateboarding is so fun with this specific product, that's going to enhance this listing, and more likely somebody is going to buy it, or else they're going to be just looking for the specific price. So you don't want them to shop by price, you want them to shop and buy by quality. So by having a niche shop and selling a bunch of related stuff all combined, it's more likely that somebody is going to go and buy their product from you, or else they're going to go and just find it at the best possible price online. Since our dropshipping site accepts returns, you have no reason not to actually give a return option for this product. It's more likely you'll get actual sales. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.